Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making confetti cookies. These delicious and pretty sugar cookies are loaded with colorful sprinkles. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then set it aside. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk this together until it's well combined, and then set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature and 3/4 cup of sugar. Beat this together until it's fluffy. Then add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat this together until it's well combined. Now slowly add your dry ingredients and mix together until it's just combined. Then fold in 1/2 cup of sprinkles. Using a cookie scoop that holds 2 tablespoons, drop the dough onto your prepared baking sheet, placing them at least 2 inches apart. Now bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges just start to turn golden brown. Then remove from the oven and let the cookies stay on the baking sheet for 4 to 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Repeat until you've baked all of your cookies. And here they are, confetti cookies. These cookies are crispy on the bottom and soft and chewy on the inside. And this recipe makes about 16 to 18 cookies, depending on how big you make them. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Drop the batter onto your prepared baking sheet. Baking sheet. Drop the dough. Oh no. Using a drop the dough onto, is it dough or batter? What am I calling it? Dough. Oh, drop the batter, not the batter, the dough. Oh my goodness. Drop the dough. Drop the dough. Okay. Drop the dough. Drop the dough onto your prepared baking sheet. Split. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Using a cookie scoop. Oh my gosh. I only got the first part now. Yay!